The CM Footnotes plugin allows you to easily and elegantly add footnotes to pages or posts on your WordPress site. With CM Footnotes, you can enhance the readability and credibility of your content by providing extra resources, references, or explanations for your site visitors. You can easily create a definition using a metabox in the post or page editing screen. Choose the dash icon, add link and label, and then insert the shortcode to the desired place in the content to display the footnote link in the needed place. Each term can have a unique footnote link. Optionally, each term can also be displayed as a tooltip, which shows the definition when the user hovers over the footnote link. The footnote link leads to the definition at the bottom of the page. The definition can have a description, a dash icon, a link to an external resource, and a backlink that takes the user back to the original spot. You can adjust the plugin settings to change the look and feel of the footnotes and definitions, such as the color, size, position, and style. You can decide if to display each footnote definition on a separate line or show them in 3 columns. You can customize the style of the footnote links, footnote link anchor, footnote description, backlink, and separator. Additionally, you can change the appearance of the definition tooltips. Visit CreativeMinds.com to download the CM Footnotes plugin today.